But you can talk about whatever you want. This space was created for you to say whatever you want. So go along with it or not. This poem is by Maida Del Valle, and it's called Seduce Me.
Oh shit.
Pleasure too. Man, I can't make me laugh. Seduce me. Write me a poem. Tell me about the scent of the musk at the nape of my neck, that you dream of spending sultry summer days between my breasts, that if you could taste me, it would be mangoes and tropical breezes on your tongue. Keeping you up at 2 a.m. for weeks, staring at black ceilings, legs entwined in sheets, wiping your brow, wondering what the next time will be. Seduce me. Write me a poem. Drop these weak pickup lines and overwhelm me with quotes from Neruda's 100 Love Sonnets. Tell me I want to walk in the beauty like the night, trace the lines in the palm of my left hand, decipher them, read and whisper their meaning to me. Tell me my lifeline crosses with your destiny, and print your words on me like overnight scratch marks, leave butterflies in my stomach with honeysuckle syllables that remind me of our first kiss, holding hands at recess. Seduce me. Write me a poem that praise my name and preaches our passion, chant of our lovemaking to come underneath your breath with the faith of withered hands holding rosaries and cathedrals until images of us entwined into each other burn themselves into our minds like incense at mass. Seduce me. Write me a poem with your eyes like glances for a moment across a crowded room, soft smirks of full lips and a slow, deliberate blink followed by a flutter of eyelashes that says, damn, I wish. Seduce me. Write me a poem with your body. Approach me with the certainty of the tide. Move to me without doubt or question. Make your origin and your destination. Let music be the catalyst that lets our bodies meet. Spin me in and out of the Congo rhythms. Lead me into a Coltrane well. Ground me into the bass line of Between the Sheets. Let me pull close enough to feel our hearts beat together when we dance. Seduce me. Write me a poem that speaks of our timelessness. Remind me it was you I loved in a past life. On some faraway continent, tell me I carry you in my genes, that I cannot forget you if I tried, that our memories are engraved into eternity, that time is just a theory to us. Seduce me. Write me a poem that needs no words, compose a silent sonnet of soft bare skin, where you caress my exposed back. Speak the syllable I need to hear a poem. When melting bodies become the book, where shallow breathing becomes the prose, where you seduce me and inspire me to write you the poem that shows you how to love me.